Hello guys, Mike is here, Boomerang Me founder, and today in this video I will show you how you can easily integrate Boomerang Me with Public Connector to automate your existing workflow on example of importing customers from the Google Sheet to Boomerang Me CRM system. But before, we just need to make the connection with the Public Connector and Boomerang Me. First of all, we need to sign up or log in your Public Connect account and push the button create the workflow. It can be the Google Sheet to Boomerang Me create a new customer. Yeah, and move ahead. So at the first, like a classical step, we need to choose the trigger. In our case, it should be creation the new row in the Google Sheets. We need to find the sheets here. Make a connection with Google Sheets. Choose the trigger event, new or updated spreadsheet row. And you need to connect Google Sheet with Publi as well. You can find all information like a step-by-step guide here. Please carefully read this information and make this integration. I was preparing this integration before to save your time. Just want to show you that you need to set up additional extension in the Google Sheets, Public Connect webhooks, already installed in my account. You need to push the button initial setup, fill your webhook here, and choose the trigger column. It should be your phone number. In my case, it's column C. Send test data and submit. Integration window says setup configured successfully. All is good. We can move forward. We need to wait some time for getting the response on the public side. And yeah, right now you can see that integration works correctly, and we get the response on the public side from the Google Sheet with the labels and values of each field in our Google Sheet, and it looks so good. We can move forward. As the next step, we need to set up the action after the trigger. In our case, it should be Boomerang Me. You can find our app here in the app search. Just type Boomerang and choose our application. Select an action, create a customer. And next you need to set up a connection. Push the button connect. I already have the connection, but I will show you how to create from the scratch. Push the button add new connection. Choose the connection name and fill in your API key from Boomerang Me site. Just let you know that integration key is available on business and agency plan. Please double check this. Copy and paste your API key. And yes, connection already created. And we need to map our fields from Google Sheet side to Boomerang Me service. Starting from the name. Next, last name. Phone number, and this is actually all we need to see the demonstration. You can also map other fields if you want. Save and send test request, and yes, this is the answer from the server. Looks pretty well. All fields filled properly, and we can save this integration. And coming back to the dashboard, and we see two integration. It was my first test integration, one free task consumed, and this integration already just created, and we need to wait some time. Usually it takes around from 5 to 10 minutes after you update data in your Google Sheet to integrate with the Publi. I mean, it not works immediately. It just takes some time. And you can easily fill this sheet with your customers and easily import your customers to Boomerang.me CRM systems without any problems in your customer base. This is actually my imported customer with 2299 phone number at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Wish you good luck and take care. Bye.